Okay, now let us talk about the second source, let's call it, the the particle which the wave is bounced back, and this particle is coming toward us with the velocity of particle. This particle is emitting the wave every 2 seconds, so it would be frequency of the particle is 1/2 every 2 seconds, 1 cycles. Now this is our first frame. Our second frame is like this. The particle has been traveling with an unknown speed of the particle. The wave is also moving in all directions, and every seconds it is moving 4 meters, and in 2 seconds it has been gone for 8 meters. From here to here is 8 meters. Also, in the meantime, my particle has been moving from the center of the 8 meters to this point, and in this point has made another cycle. It is not very centric, so it is also 4 meters. So we simplify the things, and is that my wave travels 4 meters per second, and my second source, emits every 2 seconds 1 wave, or the frequency of the second source, let's say, is 1/2, which is equal to the period of 2. Now if I'm standing behind the particle, let's say I am here, what I receive is not that every 2 seconds I'm receiving a crust, but the timing is different, because this particle is moving away from me. Therefore, the frequency has been changed, and if it wasn't moving, it was like this every 2 seconds, it is now like this. First this one comes, and then after 2 seconds, it is not after 2 seconds, it is, let's say, 2.5 seconds, and it is the time of receiving the cycles have been widened up. It means my wavelength has been widened. If I'm on the other side, on the receiving side, let us show it with the blue receiver. I'm not receiving something like this every 2 seconds, but I'm receiving it faster, because the second one is coming also toward me. How much faster? And how much faster it would be calculated by the receiving time, which is definitely shortened. So the wavelength is jammed and is much shorter because my particle is also coming toward me, and the frequency has been increased.